everybody, this is Danushka Ligama back again on Art Zone, and in today's episode I have with me again Mamata Talaulikar from Ponda, and in this episode we are going to learn two things that she's going to show us. Jewelry making. As you know, a lot of jewelry is available in the market, but when you want to use the jewelry you would like to have, it's better if you make jewelry, right? And Mamata Talaulikar is going to show us just this along with paper boxes. So now we are about to start with our jewelry making. So Mamata,
Yes.
can you tell us what exactly do we need first for this?
Yeah, these are the pearls which are needed for making a necklace sort of thing. Then with that we need this 0 number beads. Then we need a hook. Then we need special needles which are available for making jewelry, and specially made thread which is unbreakable, like very hard thread. And that's all. This for sticking the hook we will need a special type of glue.
Okay, now this thread and these special needles are just for jewelry?
They are specially made for jewelry because they are very fine needles, and the thread also is very strong, as if you pull also it won't break so easily.
So it comes just in one color, orange, or there are different colors?
Because the color is matching with the golden color, we can use this, and even white is available. Only these two colors are available for making jewelry.
And where, in what kind of shops do you get this, like wholesale?
These are the actually in Ponda I don't think so. In Goa they might very less shops for this. So this requirement of jewelry, some ladies of groups, self-help groups and all, they provide. They have this type of materials, those ladies.
So today in our jewelry show, what exactly are you going to teach us to make?
I am going to make one necklace, then we can make one bracelet. So we'll start with bracelet first, and then I'll show. These are very fine needles which are specially made for making jewelry. So it takes a lot of time to needle the thread. So initially I'll show and then we have to do the work with 2 needles. So that's how I've taken my daughter for my help, and then this is the way.
So she also knows to make jewelry.
Yes.
Mayuri, you also know to make jewelry.
This is how it is to be taken. As much as length we want, we have to take the thread and cut it. And this is how the same length 2 needles are to be threaded. And
for everything you need 2 needles?
No, there are different patterns which are very difficult to show now in this show, because there are even the patterns with 6 needles and even with 12 needles. Okay. But for that you need a lot of time and very fine work.
And where did you learn to do this jewelry?
The SSI in Margao, they had conducted one course, small scale industries and training. So I had been taking this course over there. About 1 year back I have done the course there in Margao near railway station. So should we start with the making? We need a hook for a bracelet which is to be stuck with this. So we have to stitch it by giving it a knot, and 2 needles are put together, and this knot we need to put here, and then tighten the knot and start doing. So we have already put a knot on the hook. Now with these 2 needles we need to pass one big 2 number bead for base. After putting this 2 number bead, we should pass 2 different beads in 2 different needles. Then we need to pass one rice pearl in that. Then the second needle is to be passed through the rice pearl. So we have put one rice pearl. Again we need to put 2 beads on both the sides and one rice pearl over, and repeat till the end, till we want this how much ever length we want. We keep on repeating the same thing. Then the first needle is to be passed from the rice pearl. Again we are passing the beads, golden beads. This is how the pattern is coming till it keeps on repeating in same way.
Okay, so all this while we were saying that Mamata's daughter Mayuri was helping her. Now let me see if I can help her in doing the jewelry, and let me see how much I can learn in jewelry making while you all as well learn. So now I think I have to pass it through the pearl.
Through the pearl.
This is a very time consuming affair, no?
Yes, but it looks pretty after it is done. So again we have to pass 2 golden beads on both the sides and keep on repeating the process till the end of the thread. Whatever is their size, we keep doing the same thing. Again we have to take the pearl and crisscross the needles in that. Together
now you can only do it with pearls or with various other
stones and whatever material you prefer. There are different type of pearls are there, corals are there, kundans are there. Variety of material is available in this. So
according to one's own
wish and liking, we can do it. Like some of the college going girls, they want kundans matching with their outfit. So they prefer kundan work. Now ladies will prefer this because on sarees mostly pearls will look better. Because the beads and this is very fine now. First problem is eyesight. To pass the thing also you need perfect eyesight.
So as you can see here, this is a very simple pattern, very clear to understand. It is just a bead, a pearl, a bead, a pearl, and you just have to keep on putting beads and pearls, and in the end our necklace is done, right, Mamata?
Yes.
Yeah. So when do you do such kind of jewelry, when you go to teach people or when you use it for yourself?
Yeah, both the ways, because my daughters are in dance and all, they like to wear this jewelry. So I also make for them, and when I go to teach in Balgaon, Kendra, small kids and the ladies also, they prefer to learn such jewelry.
You need to have very good eyesight to put these things.
Some of them they don't pass even through the needle.
So you use different sizes of needles or just one common needle size?
Yes, for very fine needle is given with the jewelry material itself.
Okay. This is definitely easier than the bracelet, and it's going faster. But to buy all this material, does it fall expensive?
Yes, certain things like this rice pearls and pearls which are cultured and all you get also, they are a bit costlier. Otherwise, there is cheaper material in this side. It is as per one's own choice whether they want a costlier material or cheaper they can see it for themselves and buy.
So as you can see, I have completed putting 37 beads and pearls, and Mamta is yet to finish. So then we shall see what we have to do at the end, because I don't know myself what you have to do at the end, because this much of thread is still left.
This type of pendants are available with the jewelry material what they sell. No? They sell this type of pendants. So what we have done is to be entangled with this for a complete necklace. No? One side is already done, the next side, the other side we are going to do now.
So you just have to pass the needles through that.
Yes, and then put a knot for tightening it.
How do you do that?
Here, one hook is been provided by them on the pendant itself. We just have to pass a needle for knot on that. One needle from the other side for a knot. After passing it from that hook, we just have to put one knot and then cut the needle.